Hi, I'm Helena from PamPam, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own custom interactive event map. We're going to use a tool called PamPam, which allows you to make and share maps online. So let me show you how to do it. So we're going to go to this template. It's the event map template. I'm going to link it below if you're watching this on YouTube. So let's go to pampam.city/templates. Here's the map. You can see a preview here, and we're going to click on Start with this map. Here we go. So you may need to log in. I'm already logged in, and I'm just going to click Copy Map. All right. So let me give you kind of just like a quick orientation around the PamPam editor. So this is essentially a map editor, and you can add spots to it, draw on the map, add pictures, customize a lot of different things on it. And then afterwards, you'll just be able to share it with a link. Nobody needs to have a PamPam account in order to view the map. You just share it or embed it. So make sure you're in the edit mode and not the view mode. So you want to be in edit mode when you're making changes to your map. You can click here in order to change the cover photo. You can just start changing the title of your map, the description, and then of course start editing the spots. So when you click into a spot, you can add a picture to it. We'll just leave it without a picture for now, or you can add the different information on it: date, time, description, address. You can add links here, so you know the Instagram handle of the event maker, etc. And you can have a custom button. So our custom button here says see more event info, in which case you can link to the event link, or again, wherever you really want to link it. And so when you are in view mode, this is what it's going to look like. So your viewers, or whoever you're sending to this map, they're going to see it like this. If you don't want to have these like date, time, what you're going to want to do is make sure you're in edit mode, click here, and then click on edit fields. And these fields are what allows you to make this map really custom. So you can have date, time, but you can also add whatever other custom field you want, or you could even change the text on your call to action button inside the spots. So let's say you wanted to remove all of these spots here, because these are just kind of example spots. You're going to click on add and then type remove all spots. That's going to remove all the spots from this map. So now you have a clean map here. And then to add a spot, you're going to click on add and then click on search by name or address. And then just type in the name. Here we go, City Hall. You can choose a custom emoji and then just, type in the information that you want here. And again, this is what it looks like when it's in view mode. If you have all of your events already like in a doc or a spreadsheet, there are two other ways that you can add places. You can import it from Clipboard, which just means that you're going to copy and paste text or a spreadsheet into this area. One tip that you'll want to do here is like add the general area first, like Philadelphia or New York or whatever it is, so that it has a bit more understanding of where it is, to make sure that we're going to actually be able to get the right places in there. And the most foolproof thing you can do is import from Airtable. So here you're going to paste in your Airtable link, and then we're just going to map it one-to-one to what you have in your Airtable. We're going to have Google Sheets soon as well, so maybe by the time you're watching this, we'll have that, and so you may want to watch that video for how to do that. So that's how you get kind of like all your spots in. You can customize the color, add different things like text and drawing to the map. And like I said earlier, from there, you'll just be able to copy this link, paste it in your link tree, in your website, embed the map directly in your website, or you can even take a screenshot of your map, share it on social media, or put it on your website and link to it from there. So definitely watch some of the other YouTube videos if you need any help, or just email me. Thanks.